Let me show you how to make a dope app with ChatGPT. First, create a new folder. This is where we're going to store all the files for our app. Give our folder a name. Next, go to Google and type this. We're looking for the .exe file to download. This is the core engine of our app. Here it is, click it to download. Now open the folder where we just downloaded our file. We're going to copy that file we just downloaded and paste it into the app folder we created earlier. Paste it here. Now go back to Google, we have one more file to download. Type this. Again, we're looking for the .exe file. We need this file to handle conversions inside our app. Find the zip file and click it to begin downloading. Now we're going to do the same thing, but first we have to unzip the file. Right-click the file and select Extract All. Once it's extracted, find the .exe file. It's usually in the bin folder. Now copy this file and paste it into our app folder we created earlier. Great job. Now for the fun part. Open ChatGPT. We're going to get it to write the code for our app. Type this prompt into ChatGPT. Now hit return and it should provide the code for our app. Now simply copy this code to your clipboard, then go back to our app folder we created earlier. Right-click in the folder and select New Text Document. Now open the text document and paste in our code from ChatGPT. When you're done, go File, Save As. Make sure you select all files here. Now give it a name. But be sure to add .bat at the end of the name like this. Now hit Save. You can now delete the blank text document. You should now see our batch file, double-click and run the app. Great. Now we're ready to provide the URL and start downloading files. Go to YouTube and find the URL. Now paste a URL into our app. Hold down Ctrl+V to paste it. Select your options for download and hit return. Great, we can see our downloaded file in our app folder. This works for downloading videos as well, but it's a bit more complex to set up. Remember, this guide is for personal use only with videos you own or have explicit rights to. Now we've finished creating our app. You can explore some dope ways to improve and refine it to your liking. Enjoy and follow for more.